Good everyone. So you built your container and you're ready to deploy your container on Microsoft Azure, and you're wondering whether you should use Azure Container Registry or maybe use some other container registry. And before we talk about why would you use Azure Container Registry, let's talk about what is an Azure Container Registry in the first place. So an Azure Container Registry is a cloud-based storage for you to store your containers, so you could later on pull down those containers to run them on whichever machine you like. This could be your local development machine, or it could be Kubernetes cluster, wherever your production environment is. Other benefits of having a container registry is that it makes distributing your containers so much easier. It also makes collaborating with team members on a production environment so much easier. So the reason to pick a Azure Container Registry if you are building your environment on Microsoft Azure is that Azure Container Registry integrates really well with other Azure services like Azure Container Apps, Azure Kubernetes service. It could easily pull your containers from Azure Container Registry. Also, other Azure Container Registry comes with other benefits like built-in image scanning, so you would easily detect if there are some vulnerability in your container. You could easily geo-replicate your container, so if you want to globally distribute your container, or if you've got a globally distributed environment, you could version control your container. You could easily integrate it with CI/CD tools like Microsoft Azure DevOps or GitHub Actions. And my favorite is that you could think of this container registry as private. It is private, so you could trust it. You could control it, control access to it with using RBAC rules. You could using Microsoft Azure AD and Microsoft Intra. You could control access or restrict access to it on a network level. So only a specific IP address or only a specific virtual network could access this container. So a lot of benefits come from using Azure Container Registry when running your environment on Microsoft Azure. So yeah, thank you. See ya.